It's honestly ridiculous to have to spend $5 for a bag of granola when it's so easy to make a version with these macros yourself. Here's how easy it can be thrown together. First, let's assemble the dry ingredients. Here we start with our basic rolled oats, about 2 cups or 180 grams. They're the building block for any granola. This is where you can customize and adapt with what seeds and nuts you have available. I'm going to use a half cup or 60 grams of chopped walnuts, as well as a half cup or 60 grams of chopped almonds. For the seeds, I have a third of a cup or 25 grams each of chia seeds and milled flax seeds. Mix all that up with a little salt and put it aside as we can now start our binder. Not required, but I like to add a little spoonful of coconut oil to help with the browning. On medium-low heat, add a third of a cup or 40 grams of honey, 2 tablespoons or 10 grams of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of vanilla extract, and finally, half a cup or 130 grams of creamy peanut butter. Once everything is added, the peanut butter will soak up the liquids and create this silky, sticky binder. Now's when I like to add a tablespoon of cinnamon and combine it all together. Now it's time to add the wet ingredients to the dry. Mix everything in thoroughly and transfer it to a parchment-lined baking sheet and flatten it out as much as possible. This is going to go in the oven for about 20 minutes at 350. We're going to take it out about halfway to give it a quick flip and shake. After another 10 minutes, it'll brown up nicely like this. Feel free to continue tossing the granola and baking for another 5 or so minutes for an even browner granola. Once you're satisfied, take it out of the oven and let it cool down before lastly adding a half a cup or 60 grams of dried cranberries. Mix it all up and add it to a storage container like I did with the mason jar here. Overall, this is a pretty standard granola, but it has the ability to mix and match to your liking. Makes a perfect addition to something like yogurt or even just a munch on. Let me know if you give it a try, and as always, enjoy.